So, ito guys, maglalagay tayo ng ano, magsaset tayo ng blue, gold, and gold. Gold. Try natin. Pag hindi natin gusto, ito guys, yung aking blue willow. Ayan. Fine porcelain, royal Dalton, real old willow. So, ayan guys. So, ayan. So, yung mga so, ito guys. Ayan. Ito muna guys, habang ano. Blue. Blue, blue, blue. Ayan. Ayan. Ang first plate natin. Then, lalagay natin ito guys. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam kung ito yung gagamitin kong yan na guys yung ating Christmas tree. Christmas. Ayan. Dahil gold ang ano guys, gold itong trim. Kaya gold din ang ilalagay natin na kutsara. Ano? So, ayan. Gold, tapos gold din guys ang ilalagay natin na baso. So, iniisip ko kasi blue. Ayan guys ang aking mga bawi. So ayan, instead na nakatago guys sa ano, sa China cabinet, itong aking ano jar. Ayan. Ilalabas natin guys. So ito guys. Ito ang ating magiging base. Make sure guys na pantay sila para perfect, diba? Tapos guys, ito ilalagay natin dito. Ayan. Ayan guys, yung ating so, ayan. Yeah. Ayan guys, yung aking mga pinamili. So, with this guys, ayan. Natin yung dessert natin. Ayan. Oh, kulang. Walang laki. Ang dami kong ano guys. Para ko nahihilo. Ay, siya lang yung wala. So, ayan guys. Gold ang ating ayan. Ano pa dyan ilalagay? Yeah. Huh?
Where'd you move the boxes to?
What boxes?
The ones that was over there. 'Cause I still gotta pack up this receiver and get it shipped off. I know that was one of the boxes.
Oh, it's in the hallway. Or in the garage. I'll put it back tomorrow. I just don't want all the box on my...
I understand.
Doing what I'm doing right now. Ayan guys, so ayan, gold. So then we're gonna have spoon. Diba? Ayan. Tapos, sunod natin ay kutsara. Pupunasan ko lang guys dahil so, ito guys. Gawin natin yung ating napkins. Napkins. Ganito. Tapos, ganyan. Tuksa. Itong napkin rings ko guys ay galing ng Pilipinas. Ayan. So, and then lalagay natin dyan. Bakit parang ano siya? Parang mas ano yung kabila. Parang yan. Yan guys. So, yan. Ganyan yung ating table. So, hindi siya guys, hindi masyadong makita yung ating we'll go this way. We work on the table. So, ayan guys, pinalansya pa yan guys. Yung ating itong aking guys, napkins ay galing kay Martha Stewart. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. So, ayan. Konti pa. Isa pa. Ayan. Para kailangan guys. So, ayan. So, ayan yung aking bago nalagyan siya guys ng napkins. Oh. Tapos, ito yung ay ayan, mamaya mamamatay na guys yung so ito guys yung aking candle holder, Angel of Light candlestick. Ayan, from Lennox. Diba? Ito guys ay 1989. Wow! So, ayan. So, mas maganda yata yung ganyan, close. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung may battery pa to. Ay, wala na. Wala na siyang battery, guys. It's dead. So, it's okay. I'll change it tomorrow. So, ayan. Yan yung ating candles. Mas maganda ganyan tignan or ganyan tignan. Parang ganyan, mas maganda yan, ganyan siya tignan. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ayan, yung ating table. So, bukas na lang natin aayusin yung kabila. I think this is for tonight. So, ito guys. Ito yung tea natin. Ito yung tea. Or, ayan. Tea with cup na yan guys. Tea with cup. Tapos, dito ito. Ayan. Tapos, dito ito. Milk and sugar. Okay. So, So, ayan guys, yung ating table for tonight. Diyan na muna. We'll see if I'm not happy with this. I'll change the flower tomorrow. Diba? Ganyan. Ayan guys. Bukas na yung aking. So, ayan yung aking. Ayan. Meron tayong Whoopsie. What do you think, babe? Does that look okay?
From what I can see, yes, ma'am. Looks wonderful.
Are you just saying that to make me happy?
Looks great, baby.
So, I guess you win. I made the tree.
I win. I didn't know I was in a competition.
Well, I was not gonna do it, but you said why not do it? So, yan. Memorial 4th of July to Labor Day na yan. Then we change it to fall. What did I do? Yeah, I did it. No, I did not did the Easter. Did I do that, babe? Ayan, nalagay tayo na. Ayan.